How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2022 Kia Seltos all-wheel drive. Let me show you around this compact SUV. So you have a 1.6 liter turbo powering the all-wheel drivetrain with a 7-speed automatic transmission. You got tinted windows in the back and these nice sporty alloy wheels. Accident-free, one previous owner on this SUV as well. Show you in the back here. You have 60/40 folding rear seats. And you have the spare tire underneath here. Plenty of storage space. You also have the storage cover up top there. Roof rails up top as well if you want to add on a roof rack. And coming into the interior here, you got the nice two-tone soft touch armrest, Bose audio system. Got your mirror and window controls here. You got these real nice leather seats with the white stitching. Here is your dash lighting, heads-up display, automatic stop-start, lane departure, and traction control. Coming into the interior here, 10,659 kilometers currently on the SUV. Here is your audio and hands-free. And here's your cruise control. This has adaptive cruise control so you can control the gap in front of you. Here's your large infotainment screen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. Automatic climate control. You have your 12-volt USB and charging input. This also has wireless charging as well. Gear select, you have your heated steering wheel, heated front seats as well as ventilated front seats. You also have your hill descent and your four-wheel drive lock over here. Here's your park brake and auto hold cup holders and your two-tiered center console. Up top here you also have the sunroof, and here are your sunroof controls. Coming into the back seat here, 60/40 folding rear seats like I said earlier. To bring them forward, you just hold a tab there. Cup holders in the middle, and you have your own charging port as well. And you also have heated rear seats. Thank you guys for watching this walk around video on the 2022 Kia Seltos. For more information on this compact SUV, feel free to reach out to us 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by a dealership. We're located on the corner of Lucky and Highway 97, open Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day.